Today we're going to talk to you about a process that's uniquely Unilock with a very simple narrative. We're creating a whole new level of performance for pavers and walls. Welcome to EasyClean. In an effort to better understand the EasyClean process, I'd first like to walk you through some of our earlier innovations. These have proven to be building blocks that really enabled us to develop a lot of the new initiatives that we have today. We're going to start from the very beginning, 1972. The first product we bring to market is called Unistone. This was a through-mix paver that was manufactured with technology that at the time was cutting edge. By today's standards, it's a little archaic. As we grew and developed as a company, we began to pioneer much more advanced methods of manufacturing. Let's fast forward to 1992. We introduced a product called 𝐕-Series. This is a watershed moment for Unilock because 𝐕-Series really helps usher in Enduracolor technology. Face mix. Enduracolor products are the ultimate marriage of beauty and durability. And it really helps mitigate some of the challenges that we saw with the earlier Generation 1 products. As we continued to enhance and tweak and develop the Enduracolor line, we added more surface textures, more colors, but we continued to ask ourselves the same question. How do we make it better? In 2014, in comes EasyClean. And this proves to be the ultimate exclamation point for many of the Enduracolor products. So you can see how we arrived at this point. But what is it about EasyClean that makes it so special? Why is it unique? Traditional methods of stain protection, like the ones we see here, have a layer of sealant applied to the surface of the paver. And as we well know, the surface of a paver does a lot of the heavy lifting, especially when it comes to weathering and erosion. That's where all the action is. So while you're still getting stain protection with this method, odds are it's going to be short-lived. And then we're caught in a bit of a loop. Now we have to continually reapply sealant every couple of years. Time-consuming? Yes. Costly? Probably. And this is where EasyClean really distinguishes itself. EasyClean is a proprietary two-step process, the first of which takes place during the manufacturing of the paver, whereby sealant is actually infused into the product, making it an integral part of the paver. Think of it as almost being baked right in. The second step takes place after manufacturing. An additional layer of sealant is applied to the surface. I like to consider this the insurance policy. What does that mean comparatively speaking? EasyClean is the most comprehensive level of stain protection that's going to last far longer than traditional methods. Simply put, EasyClean's a much better investment. Now we're going to give you a little insight into a different perspective. We're going to show you two products, one without EasyClean and one with. We're going to show you what it looks like under the microscope. Let's see if you can tell the difference. This is a basic through-mix product, not having gone through the EasyClean process. This is what it looks like under the microscope. As you can see here, you've got a lot of void space, open capillaries, gaps, and this can create a number of different scenarios. Yes, we have to worry about surface staining, but now we have areas where dirt, sediment, grease, they can all be collected in the product. And that's certainly gonna inhibit the performance of the product. Snow, ice, we can put salt on that, it's gonna melt that moisture and it's gonna get drawn into the product. As you can see here, this looks a lot better to me. Very little void space, no open capillaries. It's almost as if there's an impenetrable layer protecting everything on the surface. So that's why we talk about EasyClean performing on a number of different levels. Surface stains while protecting the structural integrity. The better investment. This is an example of just a test with some everyday household products. A lot of these normally find their way onto the surface of any of our outdoor installations. Ketchup, mustard, red wine, oil. What we've done is we've done a little test here where we put it on Artline, which is an Enduracolor product that's gone through the EasyClean process. As you can see here, no remnants of the stain whatsoever. I think it's important to note though, EasyClean, it's not a magic bullet. It's not gonna have stains like this miraculously just jump off. What it does is it enables us to actually clean it. It gives us time to remove these stains. Any of these products, if left even on a sealed paver for an extended period of time, there's a good chance it's going to work its way down and leave some residual marks. EasyClean enables us to clean it so our products look this good. As a homeowner, we do a great job of putting our projects through the paces, but we can't hold a candle to Mother Nature. Organic stains can be some of the most difficult to remove. This is a prime example. Leaves. A leaf stain takes so much aggression and abrasion to actually lift up that circle. When leaves fall on our projects, they instantly begin to degrade and decompose, leaving a ring around it that's virtually impossible to remove. But as you can see here, EasyClean stands up to the test. So everything we've kind of showed you and talked about, I think we can all agree, EasyClean definitely checks all the boxes. Now it's time to put EasyClean to the test. Bruce Walther has prepared a demonstration for us just to showcase the attributes of EasyClean. Bruce, take it away.
Thanks, Brian. I appreciate especially your generosity in sharing your great red wine selections with us here today. But a red wine truly is a common stain, unfortunately here for Brian. But what I'd like to show in this demonstration is here with the EasyClean and the coating involved in that, and the ability, we poured this on an hour ago, so the ability obviously here just to do a quick clean on that material. And then here back with the Brussels Standard, and all those capillaries that Brian showed you in his presentation obviously are absorbing that.
Thanks, Bruce. I couldn't have done that better myself, and that's certainly a testament to the power of EasyClean. I want you to remember, though, not all Unilock products have the EasyClean process. So please, feel free to contact your local authorized dealer, contact your local territory manager. You can even go on the website. We have a number of different resources that'll help you navigate through this. I just want to thank you all for taking some time for allowing us to show you how EasyClean can help great products perform even better. Thanks again.